go. Good. You're going to get all that pre-tension out. There you go. Good. I got you.
There we go.
Woo!
All right. There's something moved right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just needed more.
Yeah, you need to lay
a little
into
bit
me.
more. Yeah, a little bit more loosening up. Pretty much. Yeah. But you notice we went over down below it, got the lower.
The upper back just freaking moved bad.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, this is the one I forgot. You done the video. My shoulders are shot.
Okay. Put your hand right there for me. Take a big breath in. Then breathe out. Relax your whole arm down.
Wow.